Good afternoon. My name is Anthony Schmidt, and I'm here today to give my informative speech. Quick! Somebody get an extinguisher. The garbage can's on fire. Not really, but would any of y'all really know what to do if that were to happen today? Not many people would. In my 35 years as a firefighter, I have come across a lot of different people that don't know the difference of, first, the different types of extinguishers, second, the different types of fires. So today I'm going to show you how to match the correct extinguisher to the correct fire. But first, let's see what really makes up a fire. We got the fire tetrahedron. First of all, in that we have oxygen. You have to have oxygen. That's the first component of a fire, oxygen. That's what we breathe every day. Second, we have fuel. Fuel can be a liquid, a solid, or gas. Third, we got heat. Heat is either a spark, friction, a match, some type of heat. Then fourth, we have the chemical reaction. Put all them together and you have a fire. Take one thing away, just take one component of that away, doesn't matter which one, your fire's out. You don't have a combustion. All right, now that we know what a fire is, let's learn the different types of fires. First, we have Class A fires. A Class A fire consists of your trash, wood, paper, your clothing. Class B is your flammable liquids, combustible liquids, such as gasoline, diesel, anything that it's in a liquid form. Class C, that's your energized equipment, your stoves, a hair dryer could be a Class C fire. Anything that's energized. Next, your Class D fires are your metals. You got aluminum, lithium, magnesium, a lot of those that you'll see either parts of like an engine, or possibly you can see those metals in brakes, stuff like that. Now, let's move on to the different type of extinguishers and match those up to the different types of fires. This is your Class A water extinguisher, which I also have one here out of the firehouse. You can basically see how the size of that is comparative to me. This is good for removing the heat element in a fire. All right, that's going to take away the heat. You take away the heat, you lose the fire. This is only good for a Class A fire, which is your wood, paper. Second, a carbon dioxide, or better known as a CO2 extinguisher. It also removes the oxygen from the fire, but it's only good on a B, C type fire only. It can cool a fire, but if it's large enough, it will not cool it off. It'll reignite. So that's why it's only a BC fire. It's not very effective on a Class A fire, which is your wood, paper, and trash. Now, ABC. This is your most common type of extinguisher there is today. This is where you'll find 99% of the extinguishers. You walk around your buildings that you're in, you'll see an ABC extinguisher. This is good just about for everything. Class A, Class B, Class C fires. Use it and you remove the chemical reaction of the fire. Next, very uncommon extinguisher. It's a Class D extinguisher. Very heavy. Most of the times, fire departments will have these. You'll very rarely see these in any type of building except in maybe a specialty shop, a metal shop, or something like that. What this does is separates the fuel from the fire. It puts a coating on the metal. Like I said, and this is only good on Class D fires, very seldomly seen. And very heavy. Alright, now that we know the classes of fires, the different types of extinguishers, let's learn how to use one. In the fire service, we have an acronym called PASS, P-A-S-S. It's pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. And what we'll do, I'm going to demonstrate this. I'll demonstrate it with the Class D extinguisher. This would be in a little container here. First thing we're going to do, we're going to pull the pin. Alright, that's the P. Pull. Second, we're going to aim this. We're going to aim the nozzle. That's what we're talking about. Aim the nozzle. And when we aim, we're always talking about aiming at the base of the fire. Third, we're going to squeeze. I'm really not going to squeeze it because it would make a big mess though. Then we're going to squeeze it. We're going to squeeze it all the way. And fourth, we're going to sweep. We're going to go all the way back and forth, back and forth. And we're going to continue to do this until that extinguisher is completely out or the fire is out. It's best if you go ahead and deplete the whole extinguisher, even if the fire is out. That way, nothing reignites on you. So, now in conclusion, you should be able to tell the difference in extinguishers. You should also be able to tell the difference in the types of fires. So when you hear those dreaded words, quick, get a fire extinguisher, something's on fire, you should know what type of extinguisher to grab and how to use it. So now you should be part of the solution and not part of the problem for the fire department.